Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your scanned document on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below, and after that click on Scan. Here, if you have already scanned in a document, you should find this filters option down below and click on it. Now, as you can see, there are a bunch of filters that you can choose from. Here is the original one, the auto color, the vintage look, light text, crumpled, warm color, cool color, grayscale, and whiteboard. If you have found the one that suits your preferences the most, tap on it, and now you should click on the Save PDF in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby saving your scanned document and the applied filter as a PDF file. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.